Hello to all my lovely people. I hope you all are doing great today as always. So your girl is back again to share with you another very interesting and delicious recipe. Oh my goodness, if you love pasta, you must try this recipe. This is one of my favorite way of eating pasta. I can't help it because it's so delicious. I love it, and I'm sure you will love it as well. So if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, thank you so much for stopping by. But please don't forget to subscribe and be part of my family, and also click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos, you'll be one of the first to see it. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like what you're watching. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in once again, and I hope to see you again on my next video. So guys, without wasting most of your time, let me just get into this video. These are what I'm going to use to prepare this delicious pasta, and I will talk you through it as we go along. So first of all, I'll start by cutting up my chicken. For this recipe, I'll be using chicken thigh. The skin has been removed, so I'm going to cut it into strips. First of all, this way. You can use chicken breast for this. If you can't get chicken thighs, it's okay. I prefer to use chicken thigh because the way I fry it, it doesn't dry up like chicken breast. It still maintains that moist even after baking. So I prefer that one, but I don't know, everybody's taste is different, so you can use chicken breast if that's what you prefer. So I'll continue to cut my chicken thigh into a smaller strip, just like what I'm doing now on the screen, until I cut up all the chicken thighs. So once the chicken is cut up, I have my frying pan on the stove. I'm going to be adding my oil now. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Black pepper, my salt and seasoning, okay. While that is frying nicely, I'm going to start prepping other things. So the chicken has been frying for a while now, so I'm going to flip this over and fry the other side of the chicken. My adding the seasonings to fry my chicken is my way of getting all the flavors infused into the juice of the chicken. So that will help to improve the flavor of the pasta bake when it's finally done. So I will continue to fry my chicken on a medium heat until it's all fried and looking nice and crispy as you're seeing it on the screen. Oh, isn't that inviting, guys? It smells so lovely too as well. Oh my goodness. So So my chicken is fried now, so I'm going to add my onions to get more flavors in. So as you guys know me, I love my onions. In my meal, I can't do without onions. So I'm going to get more flavors from these onions. I'm also going to be adding garlic now. And then my spring onions. This is one of my husband's favorites pasta, way of cooking pasta that he loves so much. And if he loves it, I'm sure you will love it too, because that man has got he has got taste for good food, honestly. I've never seen a man that likes good food like him. He knows what is good and he loves good food. So now I'm going to be adding my tomatoes. Yeah, not blending it. Everything just goes in there. Tomatoes. So my sauce is just cooking nicely and it's almost ready. In the meantime, I'm going to add extra water so that I'll be able to cook my pasta. In the meantime, I will set it aside after cooking and then get my pasta ready. So transfer my pasta now in another pan, and then add the sauce to my pasta. Just add little water to rinse off the remaining sauce from the pan. I will allow this to cook. Let me see if I have, if the water is not enough, I'm going to add a little bit of water again, because I need to cook this pasta for about 7 minutes. 7 minutes. So I'll add a little bit of water. That's it. Cook for 7 minutes. So my pasta has been cooking for the past 7 minutes now. cooking for. So I'm going to transfer it into my baking dish. So I'm going to transfer my pasta into my baking dish. Yeah, I can't miss this. Chili flakes. You know me, I like my heat in any food I'm eating. This is optional. If you don't want that, that's fine. So just mix everything up together. So I'll add my cheese, my mozzarella cheese to it and stir it up nicely. So once I've mixed that up, the remaining cheese I will spread it on the top of the pasta for transferring into the oven. So once you've done this, then you need to transfer into the oven. Meanwhile, my oven has been heating up for the past 5 minutes. I set it to 220 Fahrenheit, so I'm going to put this in the oven to finish up from there. So guys, our chicken pasta bake is ready. So here we have our chicken pasta bake. Very delicious meal, you see, and surprisingly, you don't have to spend so much to prepare this recipe. For all this, apart from the oil, the spices I used, I spent less than £10 to make this, and conveniently, this is going to feed 4 adults. 4 adults, even with the side salad I'm going to serve with it. So, you see, you don't really need to spend so much to achieve and make a very delicious meal. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, bye.